In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files in Dropbox. Imagine this scenario. You've accidentally deleted a file that you really need. Fortunately, Dropbox has a handy feature that allows you to retrieve those lost files with ease. Let's walk through this process together so you can get back what you need without the stress. Let's begin by navigating to your Dropbox homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen a series of options. One of these options is labeled Deleted Files. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway to recovering files that you might have thought were gone forever. Now, you're looking at a list of files that were previously deleted from your Dropbox. You'll see checkboxes next to each file name. This is where you can decide which files you want to restore. If you want to recover every file listed, there's a convenient checkbox at the top of the list that lets you select all. However, if you're only interested in a few specific items, simply click the checkboxes next to the individual files you wish to recover. With your files selected, it's time for the next step. At the top of the screen, you'll find a button labeled Restore. Clicking this button tells Dropbox that you're ready to bring those files back to your main folders. Once you click Restore, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is Dropbox's way of making sure you're absolutely certain you want these files back. It's a helpful feature that adds an extra layer of protection against accidental restorations. If everything looks good and you're sure about your selection, click Restore again in the confirmation pop-up. And just like that, your selected files will be reintroduced into your Dropbox. It's as simple as that. Remember, Dropbox keeps deleted files for a finite period, generally up to 30 days for basic accounts. So it's essential to restore any vital files before the window closes. Keeping track of this timeline can save you from future headaches. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to recovering your deleted files in Dropbox. Whether it's a project file, important documents, or valuable photos, knowing how to access them again is a skill that will serve you well. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you handle any Dropbox file retrieval needs you may encounter. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.